Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your DoorBird firmware using the DoorBird app. Full guide step by step clearly. To update your DoorBird firmware using the DoorBird app, first, ensure your DoorBird device is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, launch the DoorBird app on your smartphone or tablet. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in the app, locate the menu icon, usually found in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the menu icon to open the side menu. From the side menu, select Devices. You will see a list of all your connected DoorBird devices. Choose the specific DoorBird device you wish to update. Next, look for an option labeled Settings or a gear icon within the Devices page. Tap on this Settings option to open the device settings. Scroll down until you find the Firmware Updates section. If a new firmware version is available, you will see a notification. Tap on the Update button to start the firmware update process. You may be prompted to confirm your choice. If so, tap Yes or Confirm. The app will now begin downloading the necessary files for the update. Once the download is complete, the update process will initiate automatically. During this time, do not turn off your DoorBird device or interrupt the power supply. It might take a few minutes for the firmware update to complete. You will receive a notification once the update is finished. After the update, the app may prompt you to restart your device. Follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the process. Finally, check the firmware version in the settings to ensure it has been successfully updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.